First Light. Something went wrong with this game or app. Crash error on PS5. 1. Restart your PS5. Close 007 First Light completely. Press the PS button, select Power, choose Restart PS5. Launch the game again. 2. Check for game updates. Highlight 007 First Light on the home screen. Press the Options button. Select Check for update. Install any available updates. Restart the game. Update PS5 system software. Open Settings. Go to System, System Software. Select System Software Update and Settings. Install available updates. Reboot the console. Measure 4. Restore licenses. Open Settings. Go to Users and Accounts. Select Other. Choose Restore Licenses. Wait for completion. Launch the game again. Or 5. Clear PS5 cache. Turn off the PS5 completely. Hold the power button until you hear a second beep. Connect the controller via USB. Enter Safe Mode. Select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. Choose Clear System Software Cache. 6. Rebuild the PS5 database. Boot into Safe Mode. Select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. Choose Rebuild Database. Wait for the process to finish. Restart the console. 7. Check storage space. Open Settings, Storage. Verify enough free space is available. Delete unused games or captures if necessary. Relaunch the game. 8. Disable performance impacting features. Close all suspended games and apps. Disable screen recording temporarily. Disconnect unnecessary USB devices. Start 007 First Light again. Or 9. Reinstall 007 First Light, highlight the game, press Options, select Delete, restart the PS5, download and install the game again, test for crashes. 10. Test without corrupted save data. Back up your save to cloud storage. Temporarily remove local save data for the game. Launch 007 First Light. Create a new save. Check whether the crash is resolved. These fixes can resolve most PS5 crashes where 007 First Light shows something went wrong with this game or app, often caused by corrupted game files, damaged cache, outdated firmware, storage issues, or problems